Welcome to the future of workspace design. This modern office building blends form and function with 8 spacious offices tailored for productivity and collaboration. As we glide through the layout, notice the clean lines, ample natural lighting, and smart spatial planning, each office uniquely designed to inspire innovation. At the core of the building lies the high-tech control room, secure, efficient, and perfectly placed to oversee operations. And rising to the rooftop, we reveal the terrace, an open-air escape with panoramic views, ideal for breaks, brainstorming, or hosting executive gatherings. Every detail has been crafted to support a forward-thinking work culture. This is more than an office, it's where great ideas come to life. For more information, please contact or WhatsApp, link in the profile, or the contacts are in the video. Thank you very much. We do design and build.